Okay, this is video 4 for the watercolor painting project. So we need a few materials here. You're going to need your sketchbook. You're going to need some watercolor pencils, which can be found in the cabinet below the white iMac. The cabinet is labeled, so you can get more than one bin. So if you want to share at your table, you can have more than one bin of watercolor pencils. So what we're going to do is pick our color scheme. So our color scheme is going to be a split complementary color scheme, and I'll explain what that is in a minute. But basically what I want you to think about is using arbitrary colors. So using colors that are not true to what they should be. So for instance, instead of painting my sky blue up here, maybe I'll paint my sky green. Instead of painting I think these were the lily pads down here green, maybe I'll do them in purples. So I want you to think a little bit about changing the colors of your landscape so you kind of make it more unique and more abstract. Okay? So in your sketchbook, what you're going to do is pick your split complementary color scheme. So a split complementary color scheme is actually 3 colors. So we're going to go over to the color wheel here in a minute. So what you would do is you would pick one color, and then you would pick 2 colors that are on either side of that color's complementary color. Okay, so I picked green. I'm going to start with green. So the opposite color of green is red. Now I'm not going to choose red. I'm going to choose colors that are on either side of the red. So I'm going to go more like in the orangey family and more in the violet family. Does that make sense? So another example would be, let's say my first color I chose is violet. The opposite of violet would be yellow. I'm not choosing yellow, but I would choose something in the orange family here and something in the green family over here. Okay? So it's like a different kind of triangle. Sketchbook. So what I want to do is show you what that would look like. So I picked one color. I picked a green. The opposite of green was red, and I decided, since I'm doing split complementary, I want to do something in the orange family and something in the purple family. So this is kind of what my color scheme is going to start to look like. So I'm starting with a split complementary. So this happens to be secondary colors. So I've got kind of an orange, a violet, and a green. Now what I like to do is pick other colors because there are different brands of colored pencils in here. So like this is a Sargent brand. This is General's Kimberly watercolor pencil. So the different brands will give you different shades and tints of these and different hues of these colors. So feel free to choose like a few different purples or a few different greens so that you have some variation. Okay, so like that one is a lot darker. And then I also want you to get pick maybe like one neutral color. So I really like working with grays or browns. So maybe you would want to choose, let me see if I like this brown. That's okay. I don't know if I love it. I can do a black. Yeah, I kind of like that better. So maybe I won't use this, but I'll use a black instead. Okay, this is a starting point, because what's most likely going to happen is you're going to end up adding other colors to this as well. So this is our starting point, but we probably will add other ones. All right, good luck picking your colors. Make sure you come show me what you've got before you move on to the next step, because I want to see it.